Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to navigate Trello's Card Repeater Power-Up, your go-to tool when you need to schedule recurring tasks. Let's dive right in. First, you need to enable the Card Repeater Power-Up from Trello's Power-Up directory. Click on the menu on the top right of your board and select Power-Ups. Then find the Card Repeater Power-Up and select Enable. This is a critical step as it activates the power-up and allows us to schedule recurring tasks. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating a recurring card. Select the card you wish to repeat, click on the Power-Ups button, and select Card Repeater. This is where the magic happens. The reason we do this is to turn your selected card into a recurring task. Next up, you'll have to set the frequency of recurrence. It could be daily, weekly, monthly, or custom based on your needs. You can also set the time of day the card should be recreated. This helps us because it gives us full control over when and how often our tasks repeat. Did you know you can also choose the list where the repeated card will be created? It's as simple as selecting your preferred list from the drop-down menu. The reason for this is to ensure the repeated card appears exactly where you want it. Let me explain why this matters. Trello's Card Repeater Power-Up is a game changer for those recurring tasks. Instead of manually creating the same cards over and over, this power-up automates the process, saving you precious time and effort. We're almost done. To finish, click Save to apply your settings. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello will now automatically create a copy of the selected card according to your specified frequency and list. And there you have it. You're now a pro at using Trello's Card Repeater Power-Up. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder. By automating your recurring tasks, you're freeing up time to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep up the productivity.